Hi, this is Marche. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the process to apply for Medicaid here in Georgia because I'm just at the beginning of the process and it's very confusing and I thought it would help. So here's the situation. Here in Georgia, there are lots of families where one or more children has special needs. In my case, there's me and my son who has special needs, and our dog Jack. His dad is not living with us, but he also helps out as well. So it takes lots of time and money in order to care for someone with special needs. So, because of this extra time and expense, you can apply for Medicaid, which will help in some of the expenses for caring for someone with special needs. Now, Medicaid is based on income, and you're either approved or denied. And if you're denied, you can appeal, but it's pretty much an income-based entitlement program. So if you're approved, you get Medicaid, you get an insurance card, which will allow you to go to providers that accept Medicaid. And once you have Medicaid, you're eligible to apply for something called home and community-based services. So these are some of the programs here in Georgia that you can apply for if you are eligible to apply for them. And I starred the NOW and the COMP programs because those are the ones that apply to me and my family. So either you're approved or you're denied for the NOW and the COMP waivers, I believe they're called. And if you're denied, you can appeal. So that's kind of a long process. And once you're approved for those services, you have to find providers that will provide those services. So let's say you're denied for Medicaid because you make too much money, which is about $2,400 a month for a family of 4. That will disqualify you for Medicaid. But the thing is, when you have a special needs child, you're spending a lot more time and money than other people to pay for special needs. The needs you have as a special needs parent. So you can apply for something called the Katie Becket Deeming Waiver, and either you're approved or denied, and if you're denied, you can appeal. So if you are approved for the Katie Becket Deeming Waiver, then you can get Medicaid. That allows you to waive the income requirements. So once you qualify for Medicaid, you get that insurance card, and you can apply for HCBS, which is the home and community-based services. So I'm just at the beginning of the process, and there is a lot of paperwork involved, and it's going to take a lot of time. And while I'm working on that, I don't have time to work on making money, which is what I need to take care of my child. There's lots of other families in this situation, and I've been looking for other families and going to support groups and education events that cater to special needs families in Georgia. So support and encouragement and advice are really needed for these families to even go through the process, because now it's September and I know it's going to take months of waiting, filling out paperwork, doing the appeals process if we get denied. So we're going to start the process, and I'll let you know how it goes.